Some people recruit, MLM. Some people sell other people's products, affiliates. Some sell gadgets on Facebook, e-com. Some like to play with Google too, SEO or blogging. We don't do any of that anymore. We now act as the bridge between business owners and the leads they so desperately need. Here's what we wanted from our business: results, dinero, freedom, no competition, a lifestyle business. Help others get results, be paid for making a difference in others' lives. And we got it by running small ads on Facebook and Google to simple 2-page sites for local businesses like personal injury lawyers, doctors, dentists, and 24 other niches. All we're doing is acting as the middleman between their customers and the business owners we work with. Every time they get connected, we collect a nice fee. No sales, just a good old internet business model that has changed our lives and every business owner's lives we work with.
Oh yeah!
We have over 2,200 students, among them many 4- and 5-figure-a-month earners. I recorded a free 20-minute video for you that explains it all in detail. All you have to do is insert a valid email on the next page. Just click the link to get there. Sounds too easy, right? That's why I shot the video. Mainly for proof, but more importantly, you'll see I'm an honest guy. These are the top 5 questions we always get asked, so I might as well be as transparent as I can be right now. 1. Why a valid email? I have to get you the video, and from time to time you might witness results of some of our students that we get excited to share. 2. Students? We do have a paid program, but you can apply what you learn in the video without needing to pay. 3. Why share our secret? There are 23 million local businesses, plenty to go around. 4. Money, time, and skills are lacking. Can I still do this? When I started, I had no money, could barely figure out Microsoft Excel, thought Apple computers were way out of my league, and I had a full-time job. 5. How to get clients, though? We have a proven 5-layer strategy with over 8 ways to get clients. 6. I'm still nervous. Skepticism just comes from not being informed. The video will fix that. Watch it now by clicking the link on this page.